Hello. Before we start today, we have to learn before we start assembly, we have to learn how to use that assembly. So we are opening here FreeCAD. Double click on it and wait for till it gets open. Okay, so this is what your FreeCAD software. If you see there, we have switched in between many workbenches, so you can here see drop down menu. Now the thing is, if we have many parts ready, how to assemble those parts? So there is no kind of a option here in the drop down menu that assemble something. So what we have to do is we have to install assembly part. So in today's session, we are going to see how to get the assembly icon or assembly drop down menu here in the workbench. Then only we will be able to do assembly of number of parts, and finally your 3D model will be up and you can use that 3D model for your assignments. So let's start how to do that. Go to the tool menu and last option, that is add-on manager. Click on the add-on manager. So it is saying that whatever add-ons you are getting, it is not official part of FreeCAD, and it is and are not received by the FreeCAD team. So make sure you know what you are installing. Let's say okay. We don't have any problem. Whoever is going to give that facility, we are going to use. Okay. So you can see here number of option. Out of that, what option we required is assembly 2. Is there any other assembly? No, only this assembly 2 we would like to be here in the start menu, in the drop down menu. So let's select that part and say install and update. Workbench successfully installed. Please restart FreeCAD to apply the changes. Say close. Please restart FreeCAD to for changes to take effect. Okay, and let's see here. There is no assembly 2 as such option available in the drop down menu, so we must have to restart this application. So let's start again FreeCAD. Okay, let's check whether the assembly part, yeah, assembly 2 is in our list right now, and this was the very important part before we start the assembly. So we need to have that assembly option in the drop down menu, and to install that, please please go through entire this video, install that assembly 2 part, then only we can import number of parts together, and final we can make the assembly of different parts. So you may have to, next part we are going to see how to assemble it. So this session was all about making assembly, installing assembly. So see you in the next video for assembly part. Okay, thank you.